just good guys making great deals at Ferguson Buick GMC. We are Oklahoma's #1 Buick GMC dealer. Best price, best selection, delivering quality selection and exceptional customer service since 1972. Think Ferguson. Ferguson Buick GMC. It's just a great place to do business. Here's the vehicle for you.
Why do so many knowledgeable truckers choose Sierra? Not surprisingly, there's a long list of reasons, like a century-long heritage of professional-grade performance, reliability, and durability. There are several engines to choose from the fuel-efficient 4.3-liter V6 that earns 20 miles per gallon highway, all the way to the powerful 6.2-liter V8 or the Duramax 6.6-liter V8 Turbo. Sierra is engineered to keep on looking good over the long haul too, thanks to features like a rugged double-wall cargo box and long-lasting base coat clear coat paint. Sierra added real comfort and refinement while simultaneously taking function to a higher level. You and your passengers will enjoy quality materials and a remarkable level of workmanship with attention to detail that shows in the seat stitching and the overall fit and finish. In U.S. government testing, Sierra earned the highest possible rating, 5 stars. The 2013 GMC Sierra, finishing the jobs that other trucks start.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC, the home of the 1909 four-door Sierra. The customer service is great too. We'll do everything we can to help you find the right vehicle at a great price. Ferguson is proud to be part of our community too, supporting a wide range of civic and charitable organizations. And don't forget to visit us on our Facebook page. Become a fan and check out our latest contest. Come experience a fun, informative, never high-pressured shopping experience today at Ferguson Buick GMC. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma. ThinkFerguson.com.